Good evening, friends. This is station FLB broadcasting from our new studios in the Commercial Arts Building. Your announcer is William...
Don't need it. I could open this thing with a nail file if I had one.
I got a nail file. Let's see you use it. Bet you can't open it with a nail file.
You got one, huh? All right, smart boy. I'll just show you how I can. Let's have it.
What do you think of that? I must have lost it. Or could I have been robbed? Boys, there may be thieves amongst us.
Doc, can't you see this guy's just stalling for time?
Wish I hadn't lost that nail file. I'd like to see you try that. How would the buckle of my garter do?
Frank, shut that guy up, will you?
Give me that silence of yours. I'll cook him right now. Whips off the cop of the beats passing.
Oh.
Sorry, kid. Can't take no chances. Jake is fast.
Bet you don't open it for half an hour.
Sorry to disappoint you, Brennan, but in less than 10 minutes.
Can you imagine that? No wonder I wouldn't put any of my money in the bank. How much do you suppose is in there?
Frank, bring in that suitcase. Baby, this looks sweet. Looks like it's going to be 40 grand, boys. 40 grand.
$40,000. That's more than I'd make in 40 years.
You won't need any more money, boy.
All right, boys. Round the back. You fellas round the side there. Come on, fellas. Come on. Come on, me.
All set, Max. Give him the works.
Wait a minute. I'd rather be shot in the back.
Don't take any chances, boys. We got car enough for 10 dead bodies.
A little late, Chief. A little late as usual.
Well, the radio raspberry, you, eh?
You must have received my message or you wouldn't have come.
What message?
We should tell you. What the look? You don't mean this guy.
That's the far-seeing gentleman who sees all, knows all, and does all. Now he's going to do all the time there is. Dr. Kruger.
Take him out, put him in the car, all of them. Come on, breeze him. Come on, get out. Get out.
Come on. Out with you.
Hold it. Close this vault and stay here.
Yes.
Well, kid, come with me. Tell me how you ever doped out those paper dolls. That was slick.
Well, Chief, it was this way. I was sitting in a big, comfortable armchair with a... Go on. Here, stop either. Go on. Yes, Chief, those dolls did the trick, didn't they? Well, so long, Dr. Kruger, and kiss the warden for William Judd Brennan.
Well, goodbye, Brennan.
Thank you, Chief. Marion!
Bill!
Marion.
Oh, darling.
Oh, baby. Oh, hello.
Say, how about that position?
Boy, you don't know it, but starting tomorrow morning, you're the star performer of WPN.
Down